Alright gang, welcome back to Man Time. Just got the solenoid pulled out of the F800 Ford dump truck that I got here on the property. This one, model number, let's see here, 2003ES-12E6UC4B5S2, mouthful. Part number F3HZ9 392D. So I'm going to be looking for this part to order a new one. This is the part that regulates, or actually there's a fuel on-off on the side of the injection pump on this vehicle. So this turns the fuel on and off electronically. Real smart, real smart. Let's make a vehicle in Brazil, make it all electronic. Whatever happened to a manual system of things that doesn't fail? A cable that occasionally fails after 200,000 hours of use. No, an electronic solenoid turns your fuel on and off on this Brazilian-built motor. So, anyways, if you notice some of the inaccuracies when I'm talking, calling a solenoid a switch or PTO, a PTU, or a Lansky sharpening puck, a Pulaski puck. I encourage you to give a thumbs up, or maybe a thumbs down. Maybe even a like or a subscribe. I think those are things. I'm new to this. Anyway, yeah, you can do those things. Maybe make it a drinking game. You know, every time you hear me say something incorrectly, like call a electric motor an engine, or a transmission a gearbox, or a wrench, you know, a socket, something like that. Take a drink. Thank Man Time.